Welcome to your next flip opportunity with SmartCrowd, a 3 to 4 bedroom penthouse conversion in the heart of downtown. Here's how we're going to make you money with this flip.
Starting off here, we'll be redesigning the master suite by moving the walk-in wardrobe and extending the bathroom for a grand, luxurious feel. We're also taking this second bedroom, transforming it into a second master suite by knocking down this wall and incorporating this empty space right here.
We'll be reconfiguring the entire layout to add a decent-sized 4th bedroom adjacent to the 3rd with a Jack and Jill ensuite bathroom in between. The centerpiece of this flip is a large open living space that starts by knocking down 1, 2, 3 walls and creating a masterpiece of living and kitchen area with that view.
So what's the flip strategy?
Buy below market.
Enhance the master bedroom,
Create a second master,
add a 4th bedroom,
furnish impeccably.
and with that view,
Click flip.